Bright Horizons Review, my honest experience with childcare, costs and services explained. Finding quality childcare is challenging, but Bright Horizons claims to make it easy. I enrolled my child and here's my honest experience. Most people assume daycare is just a place for kids to play, but the surprising truth is Bright Horizons emphasises early learning, personalised attention and structured programs. The curriculum focuses on cognitive, emotional and social development, which really stood out. The enrolment process was smooth. I toured the facility, met caregivers and reviewed schedules. Communication is excellent. They provide daily updates, photos and progress reports, which helped me feel confident about my child's development. Costs are higher than standard daycare, but the level of care and programming justifies the expense. The staff-to-child ratio is impressive, ensuring individualized attention. Meals, activities, and enrichment programs are included, which adds real value. The downside? Availability can be limited, so advanced booking is essential. Some parents may find the price prohibitive, especially for multiple children. Additionally, while programs are strong, flexibility varies by location. In conclusion, Bright Horizons offers professional, engaging and development-focused childcare. For parents seeking quality education, reliable communication and structured programs, it's a strong choice. If you prioritize early learning and a nurturing environment, Bright Horizons is worth considering.